Hello, this is Kat, and this video is about the Brother CS6000i computer. It's just a cheapy sewing machine. It's the best as far as I'm concerned for a simple sewing machine, and I've had cheap to expensive, and this is, I think I paid around 100, maybe 120 for it on eBay. No, on Amazon. Anyway, I have a question that came to me, and on my channel, my YouTube channel, which is Life in Stitches, I got a question on there about this. This is the threader, the automatic threader. And see how it's it wraps around this needle right here. So what I thought I would do is show you how to change a needle, and that is to unscrew this, put a needle in, how you do that, and then go from there, and I will try to thread this machine myself and see if my needle, see, I don't ever use this automatic needle threader. I'm so used to just eyeballing it to stick it in the hole in the needle, so I will see if mine works, and we'll go from here. Alrighty. So I thought that I would thread the machine for you since I have to do it, and it goes like this. There's actually a picture of it right here on the top, how you thread it. And or actually it's right there. But you go like this, you come down the front, bring it up, and there is, you turn the wheel towards you always. There is a thing right here that you try to get the thread in. It's got a hole on the top, a slice, because I haven't used it. I've been doing embroidery. Okay, so now I am going to put this is the feed dog I put down, and I just knocked over my screwdriver. But anyway, I'm gonna loosen this screw up here, and what I do is I only tighten it and loosen it by hand, but I haven't done it this time, so I'm having to use the screwdriver. And what that does is it loosens up right here where the thread comes out. So, I mean where the needle comes out. So what I'm going to do is, if you can see, there's a flat side on this needle. You always put a needle in, flat side back. First you have to raise this up, the thing here, by turning this knob towards you over here. You turn it up, and then you raise this to the highest position. Then you put the needle in with the flat side towards the back. You just have to feel it. You stick it in. There is the hole right there on the, you can't really see. Right there. Yeah, right there's the hole. Okay, there's only one hole, and you can see the flat side against the back. Okay, I'm taking this foot off because it's in the way. So you push back here, and it just flips off. So I needed that room. So now I'm going to take the needle. Normally I don't even have to take the foot off or anything. I'm so used to doing it, but it's just been so long. I had the flat side towards the back. It just slides up, and you put it in all the way until it won't go anymore. Then you tighten down this, and I would hand tighten it tight. Okay, now we're going to put this back on, and I'm going to put the pressure foot back on so that it comes right down there and fits inside. See, there's a notch right here on the peg, and this bar right here fits right into it. And so if you line it up to where it comes down on the bar, it should, there you go. It clips right on there, so that when you lift it up, you don't have to do it. So let me do that one more time so you can see how easy that is. It's just a matter of getting used to the machine. So you punch this lever back here, you push it up, it drops down, this releases here at this bar. So to get it back in, I'm just going to line it up with, there, just see how I just lined it up, and you can hear the snap, and then it's automatically in. So now the needle's in, the needle is screwed on. I'm going to use blue thread. Make sure you get the thread when it comes out of the machine down over here in the front. You bring it around to the back and you hook it under this. There's a slide thing. It just slides right over that right there. I can't even see it. Okay, there it is. I got it. Okay, I'm going to cut this shorter so I don't have to deal with as much thread. I should have used a darker color so you could see better. So hopefully you can see. It's automatic needle threader. And first of all, what it's going to do is you push down on this. You're going to put the thread over there. This is going to turn and you're going to put the thread through here. So before I do it, let me do this a couple times. You're going to see. So I'm going to take the thread it's in this thing down up here, and I'm going to pull it up through there, take it down, and put it through there's two hooks there, and I'm going to just pull it through there. And what it did is it pulled it through, and you pull this loop and that threads the machine. So you can see why I rarely use it, because it's just, I think it's much easier to just lick it, stick it in there, you know, so. But anyway, let's do it again. Okay, you pull this down, you pull this, and you make sure that the thread is in this V here. And when you pull it down, it moves it. You put it inside of those two. You can see that you can't move it up or down. There's two things. And then you let it go, and it's not doing it. But I pushed it up. You can see the loop there, so you can thread it. So that's how you use the needle threader. And I suppose if you get used to it enough, you know, it'd probably become second nature. I'm going to try it one more time. And it's in there. See, it's got the loop behind, and you just pull the string out. And there you go. Okay, just a quick review that you always turn this forward, and it raises the needle, but never turn it backwards. Turn it towards you. Then we went over threading the needle, threading the machine, which goes here. And it's also up here on the top. It gives a diagram of it. This diagram is for when you thread the bobbin over here. So, and then it talks about how to do that. So then it comes down, goes up around, goes on the back side of this lever in here. Comes back down. Then I showed you how to bring it on this thing right here, and then I showed you how to use the automatic threader that comes down. So if you have any trouble, just let me know. I watch my comments every day, and thank you for watching A Life in Stitches.